Sa inyong part, ano yung gusto nyong sabihin mga advice? Who wants to be an RJ?
Para sa akin, kasi simulat sa pool, sinasabi na nila lagi sa akin, kung paano ka sa totoong buhay, Pao, feeling ko dahil DJ ako, pag nag-on air ako, kailangan i-modulate ko ng todo yung boses ko. Ako basta clear lang yung boses.
Kasi hindi lang naman kami nakafocus sa shoutout at saka sa playing songs. Just be yourself. You don't have to pretend to be someone when you're on air. You always have to be open for improvement, yung mga criticisms. Kasi hindi mo magagawa ng tama lahat. And you have to learn to accept that. And then you learn from that.
Kung ang nakikinig sa akin would be yung mga youngsters would like to pursue broadcast communication or mass communication, start early. Start working on your craft. Kasi dun mo mafo-form yung identity mo as a presenter. My other advice would be, yun naman, yung other side of the spectrum, kung ikaw naman na ay nagsisimula na, be open to change, to evolving. That leads to another thing that you would like to, or that would be very important in your career if you want to last in the industry. So stay relevant, 'di ba? Kasi hindi naman yan isang isang aspect lang. Kapag radio lang ang kaya mong gawin. Eventually you will branch out to other things.
Yeah.